First, sweep the floor. Check that the ground is perfectly flat. This product has an integrated underlay, so do not add another layer. We're starting our layout at the roll recess. Measure the length and width you need. Make sure it's positioned correctly. Mark these measurements on the plank. Draw a straight line. For small cuts, break the piece with pliers along your line. Then, cut the underlay. Repeat for the width. Place wedge spacers against the wall. Lay your first plank. Make sure it's positioned correctly. For the next row, mark 1/3 of the plank. Cut it and break it. Cut the underlay. Slide this plank diagonally into the previous row. Press down to click them together. Continue laying the planks. Strike the joints with a mallet. To cut the last plank of the row, flip a new plank so the clicks face each other. Push it against the wall spacer. Mark where the previous plank ends. Install the last piece of the row. Strike it with a mallet. Finish the room by sliding the boards at an angle and pressing down to lock them.